How to find your player ID or your unique ID in 8-ball pool. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you're playing 8-ball pool and need to find your profile ID or your player ID, firstly open up the 8-ball pool app on your device, and once you get to the main lobby, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner of the screen. Now you'll be taken to your profile. On the left, you'll see a unique ID. That will be your player ID or your unique ID. Just tap on this little square box to copy your ID to your clipboard. Now paste the ID wherever it's needed, such as when contacting support or adding friends. Keep your unique ID in a safe place in case you ever need help recovering your account. So that's how you can do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.